Hey Susquehanna Valley friends, I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. Each month, Susan and I love highlighting some of the family-friendly events and car shows that make living in York and Lancaster counties so special. We're kicking off January 2026 with a great mix of hands-on fun, a little history, some magic for the kids, and plenty of horsepower. And as always, you'll find links to every event in the description below. Before we jump in, if you enjoy staying plugged into what's happening around the valley, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future updates. We'll start in Lancaster County with a great way to begin the new year. First Friday at the Lancaster Science Factory on January 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m. Families can enjoy free admission to dozens of interactive science exhibits that make learning fun for kids of all ages. It's a perfect low-pressure night out after the holidays. Next, over in York County, the York County History Center hosts Second Saturday on January 10th. This month's program focuses on local history with a featured presentation tied to fighting for Philadelphia. It's a relaxed educational outing that blends storytelling with hands-on exhibits, great for families who enjoy learning something new together. Then back in Lancaster County on January 11th, the Lancaster Royal Princess Ball brings a little magic to the winter season. Held at the Lancaster Marriott, this ticketed event features princess characters, dancing, story time, and plenty of photo opportunities. An unforgettable experience for younger kids who love fairy tale fun. Once you've checked out the family fun, it's time to switch gears, literally, and see what January has in store for car enthusiasts. Mid-month brings a big regional favorite with Mania, running January 16th through the 18th, hosted by Carlisle Events at the Allentown Fairgrounds. This massive indoor automotive flea market and car corral is packed with classic vehicles, rare parts, collectibles, and automotive history, all under one roof. Then to wrap up the month right here in York County, the Racing Xtravaganza returns to the York Expo Center on January 30th and 31st. This indoor motorsports showcase features race cars, driver appearances, exhibits, and activities for fans of all ages. It's a great winter fix for anyone counting the days until racing season starts again. So whether you're exploring science exhibits, stepping into history, making memories with the kids, or soaking in automotive culture, January has something for everyone across the Susquehanna Valley. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, or just want to live closer to the things you love, we'd be happy to help. I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. See you out there.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.